be creating 13.21 rod support, and this is one of the first auxiliary drawings we'll be creating. So I'm starting with a sketch on the top plane. I'm going to go normal too. Just draw a rectangle, and the base dimensions of this are 7 by 6. There's 2 holes located in here. I might as well add them right from the start. They are centered off of the 6th dimension. Picking C for circle, I'm drawing one here and making this 1.5. I'll make another one here, 1.5, or I could add an equal constraint. I'll dimension this one from the center to the edge at 2. And then center to center, 3. The height of this extrude is 2 inches. All right, so now we're creating this inclined plane, and you actually need to generate 2 to make this work. To create this plane at 45 degrees, you select the plane tool, switch to line, angle, and I'll select the bottom edge. I want this to be at 45 degrees. So make sure it's correct, it's in the proper orientation, check. And now I need to make an offset plane. The thickness of the next part is going to be 2 inches. And to get the intersection that we're going to need, you need to generate a plane 2 inches up. The next sketch is going to take place here. You could try to build this extrude on the base and go up 2, but the dimension of 517, which takes place here, isn't possible to put in. So what you need to do is start your sketch along plane 2. And along plane 2, I'm going to select intersection. This will allow me to select the face that intersects the sketch plane. In doing so, this face will generate a line. I can now use this line to get my dimension of 517 in place. So now that I've found this, I'm going to go normal too. And I'm going to do this a little bit different. I'm going to use a couple different tools here that I don't use as often. So making this 5.7, I'm drawing a line from the edge. I need to make sure that this is in fact horizontal. I typed L to quickly get to the line tool. So now hidden underneath the 3-point arc, you have your tangent arc. I'm going to select tangent arc, select my endpoint, select the other. It applies my constraints for me. Now I'm selecting the circle tool, drawing this in at 2.95. Now I can extrude. When I extrude this down, though, it's going to leave some blank space here. So what I'll do is just choose extrude, and I'm going to flip the direction. I'm choosing add, typing in the distance of 2. So right here, what I could do is generate a sketch and then extrude up. I'm just going to select the face, choose extrude, and type or choose up to the next, or up the face. I'll select the face, and there's my extrude. So I had mentioned before the dimension of 517 that comes from here. You couldn't get that along the bottom, or do we know what that distance is? So we needed to find where this edge was, and that was done by creating a plane on the bottom, then a plane that's offset, and then you find the intersection. Again, this is 13.21 rod support.